So we're going to review some of the key concepts that were covered in Unit 4. So one of them is a timeline. And remember, a timeline can show days, weeks, or years. A timeline can show older to newer. Let's look at several examples. An example is one thing showing what a group of things is like. This timeline shows when several sports formed groups of teams. Each group was called a league. So a timeline is going to include a line. So here we can see the line. It's going to have numbers, dates, or words that measure. So here we can see the dates, 1892, and it's going to have events on it. So it's going to have different events. So here we can see this timeline is showing when sports formed professional leagues, and we can see in 1857, baseball was formed. 1892, football was a professional league that was formed. And then as we keep going, 1898, basketball, and then golf, 1916, and tennis, 1920. So timelines, these can be really good resources for us to look at and to compare when different things happened. Some vocabulary words that were talked about are words like capital, and this is a building where lawmakers meet. Executive, this is the leader of a government or business. Executive branch is the enforcing of the laws. The legislative branch is the making or changing of laws. And judicial branch is the settling of questions about laws in courts. So here we're going to choose which word fits in this sentence. State, police, or governor solve crimes for the state government. Which one makes sense? Does the police solve crimes or a governor? Hopefully you're thinking police because police is the correct answer. Let's take a look at this next one and see how you do. The governor or teacher is the leader of the executive branch. Am I going to be the leader of the executive branch? Remember, the executive branch is the enforcing of the laws. That's the executive branch. The executive is going to be the leader of a government. So the one that would make sense there is the governor. He's the leader of the executive branch. Take a look here. Here we have a picture of Arizona's state capitol building. And my two choices to choose from are park or capitol building. And the question says the legislative branch creates laws at the state park or capitol building. Capitol building is the one hopefully you're thinking that makes sense there. All right, we have three choices: trooper, pilot, or veteran. A blank enforces laws while working for the state police. So think about which one of these is going to work for the state police. Is it going to be a trooper, a pilot, somebody who flies a plane, or a veteran, somebody who was in the war? So hopefully you're thinking trooper. A trooper, and we can see a picture over here of some troopers. They are going to be people who are enforcing the laws, and they work for the state police. Okay. And this last one here says the state flower of blank is a saguaro cactus with white flowers. So here we have a picture of the saguaro cactus with white flowers. Is this going to be the state flower of Florida, Arizona, or Indiana? Which one do you think? Hopefully you're thinking Arizona. The saguaro cactus, and with these beautiful white flowers, that is Arizona, our state flower.